The next application which we will cover, that will be increasing and decreasing of functions. For that we need a revision of wavy curve method, which is for the solution of algebraic inequations. So let us revise today. First one is 2x square minus 15 less than equal to 7x. This is 2x square minus 7x minus 15 less than or equal to 0. We make right hand side equal to 0. Then we factorize this. This is 2x square minus 10x and plus 3x minus 15 less than or equal to 0. Taking 2x common, it's x minus 5. 3 common, x minus 5 less than or equal to 0. Taking x minus 5 common, into its 2x plus 3 less than or equal to 0. Now we have two linear factors. We put each equal to 0. So x minus 5 is equal to 0. This gives us x is equal to 5, and this is 0, gives us x equals to minus 3 by 2. These are the two critical points. So we write the critical points on the number line. This is minus infinity to plus infinity, smaller critical point to the left and greater one to the right. Then from these two critical points, they divide the number line into three parts: 5 to infinity, minus 3 by 2 to 5, minus infinity to minus 3 by 2. So starting from right hand side, we always consider positive sign. So positive, negative and positive. So this is less than or equal to 0, means we need negative sign. So this gives us x belonging to this interval, minus 3 by 2 to 5. So we have solid circles here, therefore we will have square brackets, minus 3 by 2 to plus 5. This is the answer. Next one, 2x square minus 5x plus 2 greater than or equal to 0. Again we factorize. Minus, this is 4x minus x plus 2 greater than or equal to 0. 2x common, x minus 2 minus common, x minus 2 greater than or equal to 0. Then x minus 2 into 2x minus 1 is greater than or equal to 0. Now this is 0, gives us x is equal to 2, and 2x minus 1 equal to 0 gives us x equal to 1 by 2. So these are the two critical points. We will show the critical points on the number line. So minus infinity to plus infinity, we have 1 by 2 and we have 2. So number line gets divided into three parts, 1, 2, 3 parts, and we need positive sign. So after 2 is always positive sign, positive, negative and positive, alternately positive starting from rightmost interval, then negative, then positive. Here we need this is greater than equal to 0, means we need positive sign. So positive sign is from minus infinity to 1 by 2, that's x belonging to minus infinity to 1 by 2, and then from 2 to infinity. This is your answer. Next we have two inequalities, x square minus 4x plus 3 greater than or equal to 0 and x square minus 3x minus 4 less than equal to 0. We will solve these two separately and then we take intersection. The first one, it's x minus 1 into x minus 3 greater than or equal to 0. This is number line. Coefficient of x should be positive, so it's positive here. We put this thing equal to 0, we got x is equal to 1, x minus 3 equal to 0 is x equal to 3. Then starting from rightmost part, it's positive sign, alternately negative, then again positive. We want greater than equal to 0, means positive sign. Positive sign is minus infinity to 1 and then from 3 to infinity. So x in this case is minus infinity to 1 and union 3 to infinity. Next we solve this one. This is x minus 4 into x plus 1 less than or equal to 0. Again we need coefficient of x positive. It's positive here and positive here. Draw the number line, put this thing equal to 0 and this is equal to 0. This is 0, gives us x equal to minus 1 and this gives us x is equal to 4. then again positive, alternately negative and positive signs. Less than equal to 0 means we pick negative sign, that is x belongs to -1 to 4. So we have solved the first inequality as well as the second inequality. And means intersection. So we again draw the number line. We mark these critical points minus infinity. Then we have, this is, next comes -1. And this is 4. And this is infinity. So solution of this is -1 to +4. So let's shade it like this. This is solution of the second inequality. Solution of first inequality, that's minus infinity to 1. So let's show 1 here, and this is 3. Minus infinity to 1 is this part, and then 3 to infinity, that is this part. So let's shade it in a different way, in this opposite direction. This is opposite direction. So and means intersection. It's common part of this type of shading and this type of shading, which is -1 to +1. So we write x belongs to -1 to +1 union 3 to 4. So -1 to +1, or then from 3 to 4 union 3 to 4. This is the answer. Shift this term right hand side to the left hand side. X minus 2, this is 3x plus 1 minus x minus 3, 3x minus 2 and less than 0. Simplifying left hand side, 3x minus 2 into x minus 2 is 3x square minus 6x minus, this is 3x square minus 6x minus 2x, and plus 2 into 2 is 4, minus this product, this is 3x square minus 9x plus x minus 3, and divided by 3x plus 1 into 3x minus 2, this is less than 0. Now simplifying numerator, 3x square will cancel out, so this is minus 8x, let's write 3x square minus 8x plus 4 minus 3x square, this is minus 8x, so plus 8x and plus 3, divided by, this is 3x plus 1 into 3x minus 2 and less than 0. This cancels with this with this. We have 7 upon 3x plus 1 into 3x minus 2 less than 0. Now this is of the form a upon b less than 0. A upon less than b 0 means a, if a is positive, like here 7 is positive, this means b is negative. So this means 3x plus 1 into 3x minus 2, this will be negative. Numerator upon denominator negative, numerator positive, then denominator must be negative. And how do we solve this one? We use the wavy curve method. We have factors 3x plus 1, 3x minus 2, coefficient of x is positive here. Now we draw the number line, put this thing equal to 0, x is minus 1 by 3. So here we will have hollow circle. This is 0, this will give us x is equal to plus 2 by 3, again hollow circle. So if it's less than equal to, then we draw here solid circle. If it's only less than, then we have hollow circles. Then number line gets divided into 3 parts. Rightmost part positive, then negative and positive. So what do we want? We want negative sign. Negative sign is between minus 1 by 3 and plus 2 by 3. So we write x belongs to minus 1 by 3 to plus 2 by 3. So this is the answer, minus 1 by 3 to plus 2. X square minus 2x plus 24 upon, this is x square minus 3x plus 4 less than or equal to 4. First of all, we shift 4 to the left hand side. It's x square minus 2x plus 24 upon x square minus 3x plus 4 and minus 4 less than or equal to 0. That's x square minus 2x plus 24 minus, this will be 4x square minus 12x plus 16 and whole divided by x square minus 3x plus 4 less than or equal to 0. This is minus 3x square plus 10x, this is minus 16, so plus 8 upon x square minus 3x plus 4 less than or equal to 0. Multiplying this by negative sign, it's 3x square minus 10x minus 8 upon this is x square minus 3x plus 4. This is less than equal to 0, so this will be now greater than equal to 0 because we have multiplied numerator by minus 1. This is 3x square minus 12x plus 2x minus 8 upon x square minus 4x, and this is plus x, so x square minus this is 3x plus 4, this is greater than or equal to 0. Now factors of numerator, we take 3x common, it's x minus 4, 2 common, it's x minus 4. And what about x square minus 3x plus 4? This is with discriminant of b square minus 4ac, which is negative, so there will be no factors. So we know from knowledge of quadratic expressions ax square plus bx plus c, this is always positive if it satisfies two conditions. One, a is positive. Two, its discriminant b square minus 4ac, this is negative. So this expression x square minus 3x plus 4, a here is 1, coefficient of x square is 1, so a is positive, discriminant is negative, so therefore this expression is always positive. So this means denominator is always positive. So rewrite the denominator as it is, which we have understood is always positive. This is now x minus 4 into 3x plus 2. This means this is positive because denominator is always positive. X square minus 3x plus 4 is always a positive expression. This like a upon b is positive. So if a is positive and b is positive, then this will be true. And a upon b is also positive if a is negative and b is also negative. But here denominator is positive, therefore numerator is always positive. And how do we solve this? We use wavy curve method. Draw a number line, put this thing equal to 0. Coefficient of x we have checked is positive. This is 0 gives us x equal to minus 2 by 3, and this gives us x is equal to 4. The number line gets divided into three parts. Rightmost part always positive sign, then alternately negative, then again positive. Greater than equal to 0 means we have to pick the positive sign. So we write x belongs to minus infinity to minus 2 by 3, and union it's 4 to infinity, and this is the answer. Next we have to solve 1 upon x plus 1 minus 4 upon 2 plus x whole square greater than 0. Simplifying left hand side, we have 2 plus x whole square minus 4 into x plus 1 upon x plus 1 into 2 plus x whole square. This is greater than 0. This is x square plus 4x plus 4 minus 4x minus 4 upon x plus 1 into 2 plus x whole square greater than 0. 4x will cancel out, 4 will cancel out. This can be written as x upon 2 plus x whole square into 1 upon x plus 1 greater than 0. Now the first expression x upon 2 plus x whole square, this is always positive. Being square, it's always positive. So what is sign of second expression? That means it's always is also positive, because it's like a into b positive, a into b positive. This means if a is positive, like here a is positive, this means b is also positive. So this is positive. So this gives us 1 upon x plus 1 is positive, and 1 is positive, therefore x plus 1 is always positive. X plus 1 positive means x is greater than minus 1. So minus 1 to infinity. Okay, this is the solution. And observe here that this expression x upon 2 plus x whole square, this is positive. This means this is positive if x is not equal to 0. So this means when we have to write solution, we should exclude 0. So we write minus, this is 0. So this is the answer, minus 1 to infinity, and except x is equal to 0. Next, x minus 5 upon 2x minus 3 whole square is less than 1. So we write this is x minus 5 whole square upon 2x minus 3 whole square minus 1 less than 0. We make right hand side equal to 0. Then we simplify left hand side. This is 2x minus 3 whole square upon 2x minus 3 whole square. This is less than 0. So this is like a square minus b square. This is a plus b into a minus b upon 2x minus 3 whole square and less than 0. Now 2x minus 3 whole square, this is always positive. So if this is positive when x is not equal to 3 by 2. Denominator should not be equal to 0. So if this is positive for x not equal to 0 and not equal to 3 by 2, therefore this is also positive. This is 3x minus 8 and this is minus x minus 2 upon 2x minus 3 whole square. This is less than 0. This is 3x minus 8 into x plus 2. Multiplying this factor by minus 1. So sign of inequality will change. 2x minus 3 whole square. This is now greater than 0. This is positive. So therefore this is also positive. We have 3x minus 8 into x plus 2. That is also positive. Then we use wavy curve method for solution of this. Draw the number line. Put this thing equal to 0. Minus 2. This is 0. That's 8 by 3. Then positive, negative and positive. And we need positive sign which is before minus 2. That is minus infinity to minus 2. And after 8 by 3. That is 8 by 3 to infinity. So this gives us x belongs to minus infinity to minus 2 and union it's 8 by 3 to infinity, and x should not be 3 by 2. So 3 by 2, 8 upon 3 is 2.7. This is 1.5. 1.5 is already excluded. So this is our answer. X belongs to minus infinity to minus 2 union 8 by 3 to infinity. 4x cube minus 24x square plus 44x minus 24 greater than 0. Taking 4 common, it's x square minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6 and greater than 0. So this is cubic inequality. We need factors of this. We need linear factors of this. And how do we factorize the cubic? It's always a trial solution. So let us write the expression x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6. And we put x is equal to 1 here. We get 1 minus 6 plus 11 minus 6, which is 0. Therefore, x minus 1 is a factor of this expression. So let us divide x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6 by x minus 1. This is x square, this is x cube minus x square. Then change sign, this will cancel out. Plus this is 11x minus this is 5x. So minus 5x square plus 5x. Then again change signs, this will cancel out. 6x minus 6 and plus 6. This is 6x minus 6. This will cancel out. So this can be written as this into this. So we write x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6 as x minus 1 into second factor, that's x square minus 5x plus 6. That is, this can be written x minus 1, x square minus 5x plus 6 is x minus 2 into this is x minus 3. So that means this can be written 4 into this has factors of x minus 1, x minus 2 and x minus 3. So x minus 1, x minus 2 into x minus 3 greater than 0. This is cubic, and how do we solve cubic inequality? Again we use the wavy curve method. We draw the number line. We put first factor equal to 0. We got x is equal to 1. Second factor 0, x is 2. Third factor 0, x is 3. So 3 critical points will divide the number line into 4 parts. Rightmost part positive sign, negative sign alternately, then positive and again negative. We need greater than 0 means positive sign. Positive sign is from 1 to 2. We write x belongs to 1 to 2. Union 1 to 2, then 3 to infinity. Union 3 to infinity. So this is the answer. Next we have to solve 1 minus x square upon 5x minus 6 minus x square less than 0. So we make coefficient of x square 1 by multiplying numerator by minus 1. And also coefficient of x square as positive in the denominator. This is x square minus 5x plus 6. So this remains less than 0 since we have multiplied numerator as well as denominator by minus 1. Now factorizing numerator x plus 1, x minus 1 and factors of denominator x minus 2, x minus 3. This is less than 0. We have 4 factors. In each of 4 factors coefficient of x is 1. The reason for multiplying numerator by minus 1 was to make coefficient of x square as positive. If coefficient of x square is positive, then factors will have positive sign. Now we have 4 factors. We draw a number line. We put each factor equal to 0. This one gives us x equal to minus 1. This will give us x is equal to 1. Next is x equal to 2 and third is x is equal to 3. So we have 4 critical points dividing number line minus infinity to plus infinity in 5 parts. We start from the rightmost part, positive sign, alternately negative for positive, then negative and then again positive. Less than 0 means we should pick negative sign, which is minus 1 to 1 and then 2 to 3. So we write x belongs to minus 1 to 1 union 2 comma 3. This is the answer. Next one, we have to solve this inequality. First of all, we shift 1 by 2 to the left hand side. This is 3x square minus 2x minus 5 minus 1 by 2 greater than 0. That's 2x square minus 4x plus 10 minus this is 3x square minus 2x minus 5 upon 2 into 3x square minus 5x minus 5 and greater than 0. Simplifying, minus x square, this is minus 4x plus 2x minus 2x, then it's 10 minus minus 5, that is plus 15 upon 2 is positive. So we write 3x square minus 2x minus 5, this is greater than 0. Multiplying this by minus 1, x square plus 2x minus 15 upon this is 3x square minus 2x minus 5 and this is less than 0. Sign of inequality will change. Now factorizing numerator, coefficient of x square is positive. We write x square plus this is 5x minus 3x minus 15. This is 3x square minus 2x minus 15. So this is minus 5x and plus 3x and minus 5 less than 0. Taking x common, it's x into x plus 5. Taking minus 3 common, it's x plus 5. then x common, this is 3x minus 5 plus this is 3x minus 5 less than 0. Now we write this as x plus 5 into x minus 3 upon 3x minus 5 into x plus 1, and this is less than 0. Now we draw the number line. This is minus infinity to this is plus infinity. Then we put each factor equal to 0. This one gives us x equal to minus 5. Then this one gives us x equals to minus 1. This gives us x is equal to 5 by 3. And x minus 3, this will give us x is equal to 3. So 4 critical points. Divide number line into 5 parts. Rightmost part we always start with positive sign. So positive, this is negative, then positive, negative, and again positive. We need less than 0, that is negative sign. So negative sign is here, minus 5 to minus 1. So we write x belongs to minus 5 comma minus 1 union, it's 5 by 3 to 3, union 5 by 3 to